Hello, this is Tall Paul with PermacultureCentral.com, and we're in the bottom part of the food forest. This is these fruit trees have been in 1 year. We have the netafim lines installed, which are a drip system to water these trees. And if we look in back, we do have, this is the older part of the emerging food forest. This is the second year that these were planted. Anyway, I'm here with Matthew, who is our woofer, and he's done a lot of work here planting all sorts of vegetables and nitrogen fixers and doing all sorts of things. So here's an example. I was looking down here. Tell us what we have.
This is some squash here. This is Suspania, a nitrogen fixer, and these are cowpeas right here.
All right, so what you've done is you have that little, can you point out the emitter right there?
That's right there.
Yeah, so that hole is where the water comes out. And when he planted different types of plants, just hoping whatever would grow would grow. Yeah. We're not too picky around here because it doesn't really matter, does it?
Yeah.
Mother Nature will take its course. But as you can see, from that one little emitter, we have several different types of plants growing. We're very happy to see that. So we're here, some sort of squash and different things. So is there anything else you want to point out here? I know that here's a squash over here, melon.
A little bigger one here.
This one just sort of took off. We don't know why. It was all planted at the same time. But you can see some fruit on that. And then, so some of this is planted from seed.
Yep.
Is that correct? But others are planted from starts.
Yep. These mimosas were starts, but they're doing by far the best out of anything else here. They're really growing fast.
Now I know in this area we've had a lot of issues with the ground squirrels and rabbits.
Yep, the rabbits
Rabbits like to come out and
everything down.
Yeah. So I guess what we're trying to see is what do the rabbits like and what don't they like, and live peacefully. But if we look above, so this first layer with the purple and that beautiful grayish silver, that part of the food forest is 2 years old, or a year and a half. And then in back of that bigger, taller layer, that is a 25 to 30-year-old food forest with all kinds of fruit that was planted before we arrived and owned the land. So eventually these smaller, younger systems will eventually be very large like the others. Alright, so that's it for today in the food forest. Thanks for having fun.